So while I'm still in the mood to make videos, I thought, why not make a what's inside my bag video? So this is the bag that I'm currently using right now. It's super tiny. It's the Bucket Nano. Yeah. So inside, I need to really make everything fit because it's tiny. It's a tiny bag, but this holds a lot. And these are all that I need. These are all that I need. So, okay. Let me start by showing you my shock. So this is my hair clamp. It's super nice and it's glittery, shimmery, shining, splendid. Yep. And here I have two kinds of mask, which I always carry inside my bag. This one whenever I go outdoors, like for example, I'm gonna go walking or I'm just gonna go somewhere that is not crowded, I wear this. But if I know that I'll be going somewhere crowded, I wear my KN95 mask. Because guys, it's still the pandemic, and especially now that Omicron is here with the Delta, we should really be careful, you know. And I also have this drop-off package receipt from UPS because I returned my hunter boots. My legs are too big for them. I just couldn't fit. I have here my, what do you call this? Stella by Stella McCartney perfume. It's a rollerball perfume. You should try this because this really smells so good. Okay. And then next, I have another small perfume. This was gifted, or this came as a free from Macy's when I ordered the last time. This is the Clean Reserve Scent Lush Floor mini size perfume cologne. It's okay, like it smells very fresh. And then I have my AirPods Pro, and I also have the AirPods 3rd generation. So okay guys, if you're planning to upgrade to AirPods 3rd generation, you need to consider something, okay? If the earpieces that comes with the Pro doesn't bother you at all, please skip this one, because the sound quality of the Pro is way better than the 3rd generation. And this one, whenever I use this, it hurts my ears because probably I got used of the Pro with the rubber ear thingy. So yeah, whenever I watch movie, I use my Pro. And whenever I run, but it hurts. I don't know. Maybe I should give this a try one more time. But yeah, the sound quality of the Pro is amazing. That's my take on the Pro and 3rd generation AirPods. And then, of course, I have a hand sanitizer. Squirt. And, you know, this, you always see this. I have my vaccination record card in here with me. and I am boosted. So 1, 2, 3. 3 doses of Moderna. Yes, and I'm still suffering from the booster until now. I had it 2 days ago and it hurts, but what can we do? We need to be responsible citizen of our country. Next, I have this Prada pouch that I love. It's so tiny. Tiny. And inside are my rewards cards and my fantasy nail. Sorry. Fantasy beauty spa nails, and the person who made my nails is I told her, you didn't hurt me today, so when I come back, please do my nails once again. I want you and you and you alone. So she gave me her name and she said just look for her, and I have, yep. So that's that. And inside I also have my Louis Vuitton clay that was gifted to me by my friend Jolly. Actually, binigyan ko siya for him to buy me this. So here I have my clipper card, an expired Kaiser blah blah health card, and my CPR card. Right. Yep, so that's what's inside this Prada pouch. And then last, and the bag is empty, is my wallet. So that's it, guys. That's it for my what's inside my bag. I just thought I'll do it because I'm not doing anything right now, so might as well do a what's inside my bag video, because it's been a long time since I last posted or since I last uploaded a video here on YouTube, and I don't know, I'm just busy, guys. Please understand, but rest assured that I love you guys so much forever. Thank you so much for keeping subscribe or still being a subscriber of mine. I appreciate you guys. Soon I will organize a giveaway, which you know that I always do here in my channel. Just watch out for that. And I think there are people that I owe from the last giveaways, but because of this pandemic, I don't really send boxes to the Philippines. But guys, I promise you, you'll still get those items. And also, some subscribers PM'd me and asked about certain wallets, and I'm keeping your wallets, guys. It's with me, and once I ship boxes to the Philippines, you'll get them. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.